Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add sound effects to Reels in Instagram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's open our app and proceed with our tutorial. So from Instagram, we will need just to click on the plus icon so we can start creating in a Reel. And we can choose any video and I'm going just for this one. And after that, we will want to start adding voice effects or any sounds to our video. So the option to do it is going to the music, video, or the music tab. So I'm just going to this uh, editing panel. And from here, we want to add audio. And by clicking on audio, we will want to find anything that will be uh, good with our uh, video. So here we have this audio, and that only allow you to start adding music, and you won't find some uh, voice effects except if you have searched for them. And there is also the voice over. So let's just go back to our Instagram app, and from here we will go back, and here we will have the voiceover if you want to start having your voice that will be added on top of your video. So now there is nothing as a sound effects. So here we need just to go to home and go to edits. And this is also an Instagram app or meta app that you can use to start editing your video. And let's just go to any project. And if we go here, we will have this option that says sound effects. And from here, you will find many sound effects that you can choose from, and you can add them to your reels on editing. And while exporting, you will be able to directly post to your Instagram. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.